Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing today's market update. We start with Brexit news, as it has been reported this morning that the tax contribution of the UK's financial sector has hit record highs, underlining its economic importance in the run-up to further rounds of Brexit talks between the government and the financial sector. 50 financial service firms, largely UK listed and including the Square Miles banking titans, contributed £71.4 billion in tax for the year to the 31st of March, according to a study launched by the PwC and the City of London Corporation. As Brexit talks between the government and financial sector continue, the figure represents a 7.4% increase on last year's data, and economists have stated its importance in showing the need for a strong UK financial sector for both the British domestic economy and the EU. Yesterday saw the commencing of the High Court appeal by the government to challenge the ruling that Parliament could have a say in the triggering of Article 50. Jeremy Wright argued that Parliament had previously been given the chance to push for legislation to be put in place to trigger Article 50, but chose not to. Wright put forward the argument that the government was simply respecting the message of Parliament when choosing to start the process of leaving the EU. Opposition lawyers will put forward their arguments again later today, as government has this morning to finalise its own legal submissions. In commodity news, Brent crude prices shot above $55 per barrel, as optimism surrounding the OPEC agreement continues to have a positive effect on oil prices. Prices were further boosted as head of Russian pipeline monopoly Transneft, Nikolai Tokarev, said oil output cuts could begin in March. Despite not being a member of OPEC, Russia remains a key part of the oil industry's attempt to curb production and boost oil prices. In corporate news, ABN AMRO announced it will sell its private banking operations in Asia and the Middle East to asset manager LGT, as it focuses on Northwest Europe. Ashtead Group has its half-year earnings out today. In further upcoming data, EU Economic and Financial Affairs meeting will take place this afternoon. 10 o'clock sees Eurostat release its third quarter gross domestic product figures. 1:30 US trade balance for October is announced, and UK 10-year bond auction will take place this afternoon. Thank you for listening.